Hi scientists, Mr. Hanrahan here again. Today we are on packet 2.11, investigating evaporation and freezing. Our objective, scientists will be able to investigate molecular movement during a phase change through weird water events articles and a simulation to help answer the question, what happened to the water on Mars? You are going to have to open Amplify again today, so please head to clever.com/in DSST. Scroll down and click on the Amplify logo, the orange one. And you might go back to where you last were in Amplify. You can click back to phase change though. And you go to chapter 2 this time, investigating energy and phase change. And then let's double check where we're headed. We are going to lesson 2.1. Lesson 2.1 right there. And you're going to tab 2, recreating weird water events sim. And just keep that tab open. We'll be using it later in class. Let's get going.